How do you choose between using GenAI coding versus coding from scratch?
It's like, should I order food online or cook something today?
If you are someone who is facing this problem as well, then I have a hybrid solution for you, using which you can enjoy the benefits of GenAI coding, but also you will be able to learn new concepts just like you do when you code from scratch. If you are curious to learn about this, then let's go over a practical example using a piano app to learn about this hybrid solution in detail. So I have a virtual piano app here and I can play the sounds as you can see when I tap on the keys. Now, I did not just create this app using Google Gemini and left it at that, but I went through the code line by line and I tried to understand which of the concepts were something which I did not knew previously. For example, this body CSS property is something which I knew. Piano container CSS property is something which I knew already. But when I was going through the key CSS property, I came across this new CSS property which is called as user select none. Now I did not knew about the meaning of this property and what it does. So I asked Gemini tell me about this property in detail, and this is what it told me. It allows us to have a text element on some interactive elements like buttons, but it prevents the user from selecting it, and is especially useful in mobile screens where a long press can trigger cut copy paste pop up, which is not desirable on game controls or interactive elements which have text on it. In our piano app, we have keys on which there is a key label, and when we long press the key, we just want the key to be pressed and not the text to be selected or the cut copy paste dialog to be opened. And in such cases, we can use this user select none property, by which the interactive elements will work but the text or the links on the elements which will not get selected. The practical use cases for this are game elements as well as drag and drop interfaces, where you drag and drop some element but you don't allow the text to be selected within those drag and drop elements. So this is something which I came to understand using the hybrid approach, where I created the app using Gemini first, and then I used the code or went through the code line by line and tried to understand which were the properties which were not known to me, and I went about in a deep dive into them in detail. So this is the hybrid approach which you can use to like create GenAI app and also learn about the code line by line. So yeah, I hope you found this short useful, and let me know if you have any feedback. So that's it from my end for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.